Happy Easter, YouTube! My name is Ashley, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a pastel look based off my awesome rabbit ears here. So we're going with this light blue and this nice like purpley color here. So with that being said, I will get into things. I usually fast forward through everything and will leave the descriptions over here as well as link them below. And it's eyeshadow time. So to match the colors of my ears, I'm going to go in with this light blue here in the inside and do the outer corners in this purple here. I'm going to put some white in the very inner corners here too at the end. So let's start there. So I like to use this applicator by Quo. The tips just pop on. I do find they're a little loose though, so I always wrap a little piece of clear Scotch tape just around the stem part, like so. And that way when I put it in, it fits nice and snug. It's good to go. Okay, so let's get started. Again, I'm going to go in with this light blue color here. So I also like to cover my face with a Kleenex while I'm applying my eyeshadow to cover and prevent from the fallout that happens. I really love these colors because mainly you can get this amount of coverage in one go. Again, I always apply the white underneath to make sure that they actually pop and are really true to the colors they are in the palette. Okay, so let's go in with the purple on the outer corners. So I'm just going to go in with this purple color that I pointed out before. I'm just going to actually flip this over and use the other side. I also like to use a Kleenex for this part too. A, preventing fallout, and B, giving me this nice straight edge to follow. Just like that, and I'm gonna go do the other side. let's apply some white to the inner corners here. Again, I'm going to switch the tip out to a white one, and I use this white by Marcelle. So I love doing the white in the corners just because it really makes everything else pop. 8. Next I do my mascara. I like to use the Lash Blast by CoverGirl. So I just realized I forgot to actually curl my lashes, but Number 9, last but not least, I always do a winged liner. I use the matte liquid liner in black by NYX. I'm actually just going to apply that off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. Here's the final look with my eyeliner on. So I hope you guys had fun watching this. If you did, please leave a like below, and if you want to see any other colors from my future videos, leave a comment, let me know what colors you're looking to see, and don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the bell, you'll be notified every time I put out a new video, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic happy Easter. I know that we can't really visit anyone in our family right now because we are quarantined, but hopefully you can take advantage of the technology we have and video call your family and wish them a happy Easter as well. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Much love guys, thanks for watching, bye!